Okay, morning folks. Let's get this in focus. Okay, GoPro 7. Went on my bike the other day. I bought a kit. This is a microphone kit with a small mic, and went through some beautiful countryside, filmed some wild horses. It didn't work. So I've had to bite the bullet, and that is, I'll show you this. This is the official GoPro mic converter, is it? Converter? Alright, quite expensive bit of kit actually. And I believe it's the only thing that works with the GoPros. So you have to remove the door carefully. There we go, on the side. And then you fit this like so. Now, I don't know if I think it goes any way round, but you try and fit you see what I mean? It's just going to dangle there, so then you have to bite the bullet again and buy another case, which I've done. Let's focus that. Alright, because it's not going to sit properly, is it? And it's quite a stiff wire, so it's going to pull it out. So here we go. Not even opened it up yet, and guess where it came from? Yep, China. Okay, so let's have a look what it looks like. Of course, it takes about 4 weeks to get here, 5 weeks, which is fair enough. Oh, I bought another mic as well. I bought the Boya, so we'll see what that's like. So I got that for external use down the woods and whatnot, and this I'm going to try on my bike, which we might have a go this afternoon. So I've got to feed the cat. Right. Vlog master plan. Okay. Looks okay. Not too sure how it works yet. We'll have a look at it. Give me a second. Clip. Yep, clip. Slide. Okay, so then the GoPro, I take it, right, let's undo this. It's got to go in like so. Hold up, make sure it's sitting properly, is it? That is quite a tight fit, but I suppose that's good. Alright, so I take it now that the battery, does it go in like so? We have a look. Ah, that's quite a snug fit, by the way. That pushes in tight, that's good. And then I suppose you're going to have to, if that was me now, I'd put a bit of a small tie wrap around that for now. Anyway. Okay, that looks like it works. That's for the that's for the mic on the top. That's good. And there's your mount. Okay. Might give this a go then. I think it was 13 quid this. Oh, I'm beginning to wonder now, can I charge this up through there as well? Give it a go. So I've got a little adapter here, which I use, put him in. I'll connect him up to an Anchor charger battery. Hold on a sec. Wait and see. You can't see any lights coming on, so they won't, because I've got no battery in the GoPro. 2 seconds. for the purchase I had to get from Gopro. Right, here we go, let's try again. Don't know, does it, doesn't it? I know my batteries are pretty fully charged, but can't see any lights on. Maybe not then. Maybe that's another way of connecting an external mic, possibly. But, oh well. So this is now, I will try. Today, when I go for a little spin and feed the cat. I go to my daughter's house to feed the cat, so we'll give that a go. Okay, I've just done a bit more research and I've pulled out this is the one I bought. This, what they call this one, the bow. Anyway, which has got the mic inside. And then I pulled away with the wires out, and I was thinking, why are there so many different types of wire? Anyway, so I just done a bit of research, and the GoPro adapter that you put in your GoPro that's the only thing that works in it. You can't use anything else apart from that adapter. And when you put it in, the mic still doesn't work if you've got that sort of connection. And it's like stereo, and something else, S or ground, whatever they call it. But it does work with that connection. Just a standard stereo. Got that? Can you see that? So with this mic, I got these, but I also got these. Okay, so this will work if you've got an input. I could use this mic with the GoPro using that, but I could also use this mic with this is going to get confusing, with the, let's say, the 3 rings, so long as I only use the 2 rings in the GoPro mic itself, because it doesn't like, or I don't know why it doesn't understand it, I do not know. So I've checked the mic I've got, which is on the bike at the moment, which is like this one, standard ordinary collar mic, or whatever you want to call it, but mine's got the micro USB on it, but we're not going to use that because my mic has got that fitting and it works really well. And I'm going to show you again what else you have to do before you can set off. Okay, so this is my setup on the bike. So when you got this screen coming up, you've got options down in here. So you scroll down, go to preferences. Okay, keep going down. I think it's input, output. Then you got audio, standard mic. That works perfectly okay with this little box and this type of mic. I'll show you that. Okay, that works. Is that focusing for you? Yeah. Okay, so that works perfect. If you take this out, which I will do, you lose that option, you see? So you can't plug an ordinary mic in it, you have to put this in it. Then you plug it back in. Oop, focus. Sorry guys, there we go. Nope, not yet. Yeah. Then it comes up with standard mic. If you click on the standard mic, can you see that? Let me zoom in a bit. It's on the screen now. So you got standard mic, then you got standard mic plus, and then it's just the standard mic will work fine. Then you got powered mic. That's, I don't know if it requires power or something it said. But all we're going to stick with is standard mic. And that's supposed to work. So we will give this a test in about 10 minutes. All right. So people were saying that they've bought these GoPro mics and saying they're rubbish, they don't work. The reason is because of that stereo whatever bit doesn't like it, so you just have to have the 2 rings, not the 3 rings. Does that make sense? Okay, we're going to give this a test anyway. Okay, this is take 3 of 2 seconds, put my mask down. Right, take 3. We've had 3 attempts at trying this sound out on the GoPro Hero Black 7, and every time that happens either the screen freezes or the sound doesn't work. Done a bit of research. I've got a video on it on YouTube, which I'll put in the link in the description down below. I'll just turn right here. And all to do with the sound, what sort of mic it is. Well, not so much the mic, but the connection. I've explained all this. This is take 2. Hopefully this time the screen doesn't freeze. And what was happening, there's 3 causes. Oh, I can't hear that. There's 3 causes of this, and it is either the first one is an update. Done the update now, which I did via the PC, so you have to download the update from the GoPro site, put your memory stick in, copy it across to your memory stick with nothing else on the stick, well, on the SD card, pop the SD card back into your GoPro, and Bob's your uncle, it finds it and uploads it. That's the one. The next one is the card itself. It must be well, whatever it is, but they recommend, and that's on the site as well. If you look at that on the support bit, they recommend that you use SanDisk. Well, I've got a 128 Extreme, and that's what I'm using at the moment, so hopefully that works. And then next will be the battery. If your battery is quite low, or not an official battery or something like that, or if it's not a very good battery, that'll cause it as well. So we're going for a little spin on the Honda FSS 250. Love this bit of kit, absolutely great fun. Light, goes anywhere. 300 and I think it weighs about 350 pounds, 300 pounds, something like that. First bike I've ever had which has fuel injection. Woohoo! Fuel injected bike. I never thought they'd bring them out. That's just me showing my age. Apart from that, we're gonna have a bit of a play, feed the pussycat, come back, and then we're gonna carry on. We're doing a camper at the moment, trying to convert it. There we go. So just want to enjoy the ride for a little bit. Love this thing, love it, honestly. I've had anything from 1200 Bandits right down to really Fizzies. I don't know if anybody remembers the Fizzies, FS1Es, Yamahas, worth an absolute fortune now. 50cc, probably one of the fastest 50cc's on the market. Anyway, I'll stop for now, and hopefully this has worked. Okay, quick spin home now.